Hello FPL lovers and welcome back to the channel today. Game week 8 is almost over and today we will discuss what is my initial reaction on game week 8. Please join my league if you have not yet joined. Before moving forward, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification. With that being said, let's get into the video. Jamie Vardy from Leicester City, coming at a price of 10.5 million, is the most transferred in player this game week. This game week, he scored a goal and created 2 chances also. He attempted 3 shots, out of which 2 were on target. Vardy has already scored 7 goals and is the highest scorer this season. If you see premium strikers like Ronaldo and Lukaku, both are not scoring recently, whereas Vardy within 10.5 million is scoring goals regularly. Fixture-wise also, Leicester City have Brentford, Arsenal as the upcoming fixture. So transferring Vardy into your team is a good move in my opinion. Next most transferred player this week is Chilwell. With back-to-back scoring 2 goals, Chilwell have once again nailed himself in the starting 11. Coming at a price of 5.6 million, Chilwell scored a goal as well as kept a clean sheet this game week. He scored 15 FPL points this game week. With some good easy upcoming fixtures, Chelsea defense will try to keep a clean sheet. Next game week, Chelsea will face Norwich, which is going to be a high scoring match. Then comes Newcastle, Burnley, so I think Chilwell is a great pick and player to have in your FPL team. Third most transferred player in this week is Mo Salah. Coming at a price of 12.7 million, the Egyptian has scored a goal and provided 1 assist. He attempted total 5 shots, out of which 3 were on target, and also he created 3 chances also. This game week, he scored 13 FPL points. Salah has already scored 7 goals and provided 5 assists until now. He is the most consistent FPL player this season we have. For this reason, he is one of the most essential player to have in your team. Now if you see the upcoming fixtures of Liverpool, they will be facing United, Brighton and West Ham. Fixture wise, I think it's looking good for Liverpool and in my opinion, bringing in Salah is a must. Now let's check out 3 most transferred out players this game week. At first, we have Cristiano Ronaldo coming at a price of 12.5 million. This game week he scored only 2 points. He attempted total 3 shots, out of which 1 was on target. He also created 1 chance this game week. United are lacking a powerful holding midfielder and clearly Ole is unable to manage this team. Earlier United won due to individual skills, but it won't help in the long run. With such high price and also United's upcoming fixture in the form of Liverpool, Spurs, City doesn't look good. So I think it's better to sell Ronaldo and get someone cheaper than him. Next we have is Marcos Alonso coming at a price of 5.9 million, who missed back-to-back matches this season. With Chilwell scoring 2 back-to-back goals, I think it's looking very difficult for Alonso to make the starting 11. And with that price range, it's not wise to keep him in your team. So yes, I totally agree that it's a good decision to sell him from your team. And at last we have is Antonio Rudiger. Coming at a price of 5.8 million, Rudiger missed this game week due to injury. Now if you see the upcoming fixtures of Chelsea, it's very good to have Chelsea defense. Also Tuchel didn't confirm the extent of his injury, so I won't sell him right away. If he is confirmed to be ruled out for a long time, then I think it's good to sell him. In my opinion, we need to wait to have confirmation of his extent of the injury. Now let's check out some players who are in the watch list for game week 9. As discussed earlier, Chelsea will have good run of fixtures. So in my watch list, Cesar Azpilicueta comes first in the run of fixtures, coming at a price of 6.1 million. With Rudiger missing for the time being, I think Azpilicueta can be a good asset to have in your team. There is a risk of rotation with Reece James, but if you have good bench strength, then he's a great pick. Next we have is Rafinha coming at a price of 6.6 million. The Brazilian missed the last match due to international duty and Leeds United clearly missed him this game week. Many FPL managers have played wildcard and so didn't have the Brazilian in the team. If you see the upcoming fixtures like Wolves and Norwich, I think he's a must-have player in your team. Next we have is Bryan Mbeumo coming at a price of 5.5 million is a great budget-friendly midfield option to have in your team. This game week he failed to score any goal against Chelsea but hit the woodwork twice in the match. Upcoming fixtures like Burnley, Norwich and Newcastle looks good and I think he'll definitely score during these fixtures. So that's all I have got today. Please follow me in Instagram and Twitter where I will share my updated team just before deadline, and also don't forget to join my league. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like and subscribe to show support for the channel, and once again click that notification bell so that you guys don't miss any future uploads. Also leave a comment how much you have scored in Game Week 8, and with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.